Guidelines for proper installation. To ensure proper installation, make sure to follow these guidelines. 1. Avoid roof ramping. It is important that no roof ramping takes place once a gutter guard is installed. Roof ramping is when a roof shingle is lifting upward. Shingles lifting upward will cause water to ramp up and over the gutter guard instead of allowing it to flow onto and through the gutter guard. A lifted shingle can also result in water flowing back beneath the shingle, which may result in water damage to the structure. A slight bend along the rear of the gutter guard may be needed to prevent this from happening. If this does not prevent roof ramping, then the gutter guard must be installed below the roof line. 2. Push down the trough. The mesh trough must be at least 1/8 of an inch below the front lip of the gutter. This adjustment may need to be made on steeply pitched roofs or gutters that are hung 1 or more inches below the roof line. Pressing your fingers down along the trough is all that is needed to ensure optimal performance. 3. Close the gap. It's important to check that there is no gap between the gutter and the front rail of the gutter guard before securing it in place. Gaps can allow water runoff. In some instances, establishing the trough eliminates the gap issue.